So let's say we're designing this project where there's this slope site, and you'll see that I'm drawing a wobbly line here to show its uneven profile, which will distinguish it from straight lines of a building. And there's this lake down here, so we can start to show the water with some simple lines, which graphically describes it quite easily. And then on this side, there are these nice conifer trees, and I'm just using this simple technique. So we just have a line for the trunk, and then I'm just shading in the profile of the leaves. So now we've got water, we've got trees, we've got some sense of the landscape elements. And maybe we're thinking about proposing a building that sits on this beautiful sloping site and has some sort of interesting roof form. And maybe in this space that we're thinking about, because of the way the roof is angled, when inside the building you see the water from here. Maybe this area might be the best place for a fire pit to create an area to stay warm outside in the evenings. Okay, and let's start thinking about the sun. So it might be at its highest point over here. If there's a strong prevailing wind coming from this direction, then maybe some planting on this side of the building might help to buffer that. And what about those rainy days? Then maybe a roof overhang on this side of the roof might be a good idea if someone needs to seek shelter at some point. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I'd encourage you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.